Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be showing you how to uninstall Gimp. So let's say you somehow got the software called Gimp that we use on here. It's a very useful program that we use for photo editing. But some reason your computer's been having problems that doesn't want to work correctly or keeps crashing unexpectedly, or somehow you decided to finally purchase for Adobe Photoshop or another software that's pretty expensive. Well, on this tutorial I'll be showing you how to uninstall this program. Let's go ahead and just get started. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and go to Start, and you can go to Settings. Once you get to there, you'll see the apps. Go ahead and select it. And it came up for a second, but it was still loading up. You'll scroll down until you see Gimp. And then you have the options right there to select uninstall. You'll probably be prompted telling us that the app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click it. And you'll probably be prompted for this to uninstall it. That's pretty much it. You'll continue going through that process. But if you do not see this item here, because we've had this problem quite a lot on Windows 10, I don't know why it gets that issue. Sometimes it doesn't want to show on that specific user or something like that. Log into a different user, you can see the program. So if you don't see it there, you can go to Start. And you can go to search bar if you have it there too, and you can type in control panel, and you'll get to the same locations where programs is at, and you can go to programs and features, and from the list of programs that you have, you'll see the list, and there's the GIMP program. Go ahead and click it, and go ahead and press yes. You'll be prompted the same way. And here's the question I'll ask you: are you sure you want to completely remove GIMP? And we're pretty much in all of its components. I'm going to go ahead and press yes, and let it do its work. And it says GIMP was successfully moved from your computer. And that's pretty much it. If your computer is probably still seeing icons, you might need to restart your computer, but you should be good. Thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.